Negros versus Iloilo.
Negros versus Iloilo.
Sound Expo and Light Show Competition 2025 on March 29 to 30, 2025 at Baywalk, Bacolod City. March 29, 2025. Battle of the Mini Sounds, live mixing and light show competition. March 30, 2025. Battle of the Mobile Sounds featuring Team Turbo Mobiles, 2Ls,
2L's.
Turbo, Costan, Turbo, Big Daddy, Turbo, Event Promoter, Chief Engineer Peter Regala Costan, Rexy Amar, Javier Florentino, Ibor Dabucon Fermiza, PGNT Guimaras, Dondon Okiana. Event Organizer Team Turbo Negros Chapter. Event host Dave Johnson and King Fortune. Negros versus Iloilo. Soundtrap Music Production.